Hi, this is Malina Bercher, your Texas Hill Country luxury realtor. I wanted to share with you why I moved to San Antonio, Texas Hill Country 4 years ago from, of all places, Hawaii. It's the great quality of life here, the friendly people, the great schools, the conservative values that Texas brings. There's great shopping, eateries, local businesses. There's so much to explore in Texas Hill Country. Let me be your tour guide. Whether you're looking to relocate to North San Antonio or you live here currently and are looking at options for potentially selling your house, reach out to me, Malina Bercher. I will get you the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time, or help your family find that spot, that community that suits you and your needs. And remember, until next time, have a beautiful, blessed day.